I believe that somewhere the whole family lives at a home, but they are only physically there. Their mentally mindset is fully inside their mobile phones, their devices, and applications.
In this country full of unemployment, social media is the only mode of earning this time.
Guys, in a minute, people say that they are wrong. But have you ever seen their consistency level? Have you ever seen their hard work, what they are doing to make a minute video? So what I say, it can be or it should be the role model of our life. In this generation, even kids, if they are even doing their single work, even they are eating, they are drinking, they are doing anything, they will use and operate their mobile phone. Why?
Welcome to one of the energetic sessions of Bar English Academy called as group discussion, जहाँ पर सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स का बोलना नहीं, सुनना, समझना और सीखना उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। यहाँ स्टूडेंट सिर्फ अपने ओपिनियन नहीं रखेंगे, दूसरों के ओपिनियंस को उतनी इम्पोर्टेंस देंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। स्टेटमेंट कम्स अप हियर फॉर यू कि अपकमिंग जनरेशन should follow these social media influencers as their role model or not.
I believe that somewhere the whole family lives at a home, but they are only physically there. Their mentally mindset is fully inside their mobile phones, their devices, and applications. I believe that practically, if we think practically, then a family requires to talk to each other to motivate themselves, and a family should make each other as their role model, should imagine themselves as their motivator and someone who provides them confidence and something whenever they need that. So I believe that we should not take social media influencers as a role model. Guys, as we all know that there are two parts of the social media. The very first one is the entertainment and the second one is education. So here I want to mention one of the things that before, when we did not have this type of social media, we had books for the education and we had even the real entertainment with our family, right? And now this thing has taken the place of them. One thing, just a device cannot take the place of humans, right? Because we are the only one who made that. But here, in this generation, even kids, if they are even doing their single work, even they are eating, they are drinking, they are doing anything, they will use and operate their mobile phone. Why? Because it has become a need of us in this era, and every day it's not even a single person who is not using it. So that's why what I think so we should not make the social media influencers our role model.
As this generation is growing, and there are some of the generation named as alpha generation and beta generation. These generations children cannot live without phone. They just think if they want to eat any food. I'm not talking about everybody. Some of them, small kids, who they if they want to eat food, they need mobile phone. For many of the works, they need mobile phone. So what I think that it is needed, but in a low quantity.
In this country full of unemployment, social media is the only mode of earning this time. People are not aware of things. The uneducated people are also earning. So social media is one of the things that you can be role model. The KK create one of the education social influencer who tells the reality of India. She goes in the part of India which are not seen by government. They social media influencing the government also to do work and making the world good. So making social media influencer a role model is good, but somehow being depending on them and watching them a lot is not a good thing. Making them role model for a time and influencing from them is better.
Guys, in a minute, people say that they are wrong. But have you ever seen their consistency level? Have you ever seen their hard work, what they are doing to make a minute video? So what I say, it can be or it should be the role model of our life. Why these social media influencers are becoming a role model? As many people are getting influenced by them. For instance, let's take an example of a person who is unemployed. It is having no money to for his house or his food. But when he started making when he became a content creator, he earned a lot of money and was known for many things. That's why people are getting influenced by them and these influencers are becoming the role model of our upcoming generation. I believe that somewhere the influencers are having a flockinosis simplifications. They are giving the wrong value to things. Somewhere they are not providing the correct value to the things. For an example, we can take the example of teachers that you are saying, like PW and Alaxer. They depend on the things that they are making. Basically, they are doing it all for money. Somewhere they do not require their audience. They do not matter upon that. They just need money for what they are doing. And the second thing that I mentioned is that their perspective is truly different. If they mention that the world is this type of, then it is not important that you even believe that the world is that type. Somewhere you could have faced a different situation in your life. You could have faced a different scenario in your life. So the mindset or the perspective that the influencers have, it's not important that you connect to the same or you contain the same. So you cannot connect or get influenced by influencers. You have to take your own mindset and think deeply. Talk to yourself. You yourself get motivated. So we do not require any influencer. We are ourselves an influencer. So if you listen to yourself, if you talk to yourself, you are yourself a good influencer. So influence yourself and you can do it.